everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new iPhone SE 2020. It was just released today. In front of me I have the 64GB version. It also comes in 128 and 256. Price starts at $399, with the 128 being $449 and the 256 being $549. So it comes in white, black, and red. I have the black one here today. Let's get right into it. If you're designed by Apple in California and your Apple stickers, whatnot. And here's the phone. It's designed exactly like the iPhone 8 and the iPhone 7, so all your cases for those should fit. It does have wireless charging. It has the same 12 megapixel camera from the iPhone 8, and it has the same 1821 milliamp battery as the iPhone 8, so expect around 6 hours out of that if you're a moderately heavy user. And it still has the lightning port. It comes with the 5-watt charger like every iPhone. Does not come with the fast charger like the iPhone 11 Pro did. Has your lightning earbuds, has your Apple port. And let's unwrap the phone. Now, Apple surprisingly put the wrap on both sides of this phone, whereas they only put the wrap on one side of the iPhone 11 this year. And there it is. The new iPhone SE 2020. This has Apple's updated A13 Bionic chip, which should make this phone super fast. Let's turn it on, see how it does. Alright, so I've got it set up now, and I've got Geekbench on here. I'm going to run a Geekbench score for you. The phone actually came with 80% battery, so that's good. Actually, they call it the iPhone 12,8. You can see it's running the latest iOS 13.4. Has the 2.66 GHz processor with 3 GB of RAM in this phone, which I believe was a bump from the iPhone 8, which might have only had 2 GB of RAM. We're going to run a benchmark now. See what we get. Alright, so we're back and we have our Geekbench score now. We have a 1327 single core and a 2924 multi-core. That is great. Now we're going to do a GPU benchmark, and we'll be back when that comes back. Alright, and we're back. We have a 6464 metal score here for the GPU Geekbench. If you enjoyed the video, please comment and like and subscribe for more videos. I will be doing reviews of this phone after a week, a couple weeks or two, to see how I like it, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.